Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about that, not only about this phone but for every phone, that how you can take screenshot into it. Yes, don't skip the video and don't let it go, because I'm going to telling you mainly three types of ways that you can take screenshot in your mobile phone. Very easily you can do so keep watching the video. First of all, like the video and subscribe the channel and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Now keep watch the video and learn how to take screenshot in your mobile phone. First of all, you have to visit the place which you want to take the screenshot. In my case is I'm taking screenshot of my website howtodoit.com. Now what we have to do, we have to just over here, in many mobile phones is functions very well. We need to use three fingers and we have to swipe them on our screen. As you can see, I'm swiping and you can see screenshot has been taken over here. When you easily do swipe your three fingers on the screen and it's take this screenshot. This is the process that you can easily take the screenshot, and this is the process number one. If you want to take the screenshot in other way, you can do easily. In my case, my ringer button and lock button is over the right side, and it may be on different side in your mobile phone. In many conditions it work when you press the three of all the buttons together in a single time, then it takes screenshot. In my case it's working with the lock button and volume down button. In many conditions it happens with the friends too, with the lock button and upper side of the volume key. Now I'm going to taking it by just pressing the both buttons. This is the lock button and that one is sound down button. Now I'm going to pressing them along with 1 second, and you can see over here a screenshot has been taken. You can easily crop that screenshot according to your need, and this is the process that you can take screenshot, the process number 2. Now I'm going to sharing the last and good one. If you want to take the screenshot of this place or any app or anywhere, you can use this function. Now I'm going to dropping down the menu, and over there you will find an option called screenshot into the drop down menu button. Over here it is in the left side. Over here, as you can see, it's showing screenshot. You have to just press it and it's take the screenshot for you. Hope you understand that how you can take screenshots in your mobile phone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.